Made possible by brainybuyer.com and viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Want more no-nonsense reviews? Smash subscribe to keep them coming. Okay, so we're looking at two super-automatic espresso machines, the Philips 5400 LatteGo and the Breville Barista Touch, right? Both seem pretty fancy.
Yeah, exactly. And they're even similarly priced around $800. So what's the deal?
Well, the Philips is advertised as renewed, so that's something to keep in mind. It makes 12 different coffee drinks with the touch of a button, which sounds pretty convenient.
True, but the Breville also has a touchscreen for easy drink selection, and it lets you create and save up to 8 personalized coffees, which is cool if you're picky about your brew.
Good point. The Philips boasts its LatteGo system is super easy to clean. Only 2 parts, no tubes. Cleaning espresso machines can be a pain, so that's a win.
The Breville has an auto steam wand for milk texturing, which is essential for latte art. Does the Philips do latte art?
It just says silky smooth milk froth, so it might not be quite as precise as the Breville. But the Philips has ceramic grinders that they say will last for 20,000 cups. That's a lot of coffee.
That is a lot. The Breville has a thermojet heating system that heats up in just 3 seconds. No waiting around for your caffeine fix.
Oh, that's nice. The Philips has something called an aroma extract system that keeps the water temperature between 90 and 98 degrees Celsius. Sounds like they both care about optimal brewing.
Definitely. The Breville also has digital temperature control, so it's all about precision. Plus, it comes with a bunch of accessories, like a stainless steel jug and a cleaning kit.
The Philips includes an AquaClean filter, which could be a nice bonus for improving water quality. It's also a bit lighter, 18.58 pounds versus the Breville's 21.8 pounds.
The Breville is an Amazon's Choice product and has way more reviews, like almost 4,000 compared to Philips 41, so people seem to like it. It looks like the Breville also comes with more accessories.
Okay, so the review seems like it might have a slight edge in terms of features and popularity, but if you want something easy to clean and don't care about latte art, maybe the Philips is the better option, especially considering its grinder lifespan.
Yeah, it sounds like it really depends on your preferences. Both promise a good cup of coffee, though.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.